Welcome back. What you're about to see is so rare, it's almost impossible. These are spectacular natural phenomena you've likely never experienced. Don't take your eyes off the screen. You won't want to miss this. During long droughts, the soil becomes loose and dry, making it easy for winds to carry it away, causing severe erosion. In Ruidoso, a flood swept away a mobile home, creating a scene both terrifying and unbelievable. This woman narrowly escaped raging floodwaters in Peru, a dramatic moment caught on film. Louisiana was struck by Hurricane Francine with strong winds tearing off branches and scattering debris everywhere. In a French town, heavy rain caused flooding that swept away a Mini Cooper proof of water's destructive force.
I'm watching.
In Fayetteville, North Carolina, Hurricane Matthew caused roads to collapse and get washed away within minutes. Coastal flooding in places like Crete often happens after heavy rain, when drainage systems can't keep up. During flooding in Mexico City, police quickly helped a driver stuck in rushing water, ensuring everyone's safety. A giant sinkhole opened on a golf course, swallowing part of the fairway and causing major damage. A major infrastructure failure. A burst water pipe caused flooding, and a massive sinkhole that swallowed entire cars. In Ruidoso, a flood swept away a mobile home, creating a scene both terrifying and unbelievable. Was this real skill or just a lucky moment caught on camera? Hard to tell. Strong winds can push water to one side, creating massive waves even on large inland lakes like Michigan. In Indonesia, a turtle stranded on land after a tsunami was discovered and successfully rescued by humans. A giant whale suddenly washed ashore in Los Angeles, drawing huge crowds of onlookers. This stunning time-lapse shows icy clouds swirling endlessly over Mount Rainier, creating a surreal scene. Hurricane Helene brought strong winds and heavy rain as it neared Florida, showing the destructive power of tropical storms. Tornadoes form when warm, moist air collides with cold, dry air, creating massive funnels with winds over 300 km/h.
A rare moment when lightning struck a tree in Truckee, both terrifying and spectacular. Temperature inversion happens when a cold layer of air gets trapped in a valley, while warmer air sits above, creating this unique effect. A breathtaking sight. A lava river erupting from Mount Etna, turning the mountainside into a sea of fire. One arm hanging body stiff as steel. This isn't just strength, it's the living definition of willpower and discipline.
Huge rainbow, that's good.
On Mount Washington, hikers were lucky to witness a brilliant rainbow stretching across the sky. In the Alps, a massive debris flow formed after heavy rain, rushing down the mountain at frightening speed. Never underestimate the power of water in any form. Drone footage captured a rare moment as giant tidal waves struck the outer banks, unleashing nature's raw fury. A beautiful moment, a sea turtle fully rehabilitated was released back into the ocean. A funny scene, an entire herd of cows wandered into a neighbor's yard, turning it into a temporary pasture. After falling into a canal in Florida, a German shepherd was rescued and reunited with its family after being lost for a long time. A spectacular sunset paired with mammatus clouds created an unbelievable sky. Dust devils form when hot air rises and meets cooler air, creating swirling funnels that lift dirt high into the air. Superstorms form when the atmosphere gathers enough energy, usually bringing strong winds, heavy rain, and violent rotating clouds. At the zoo, a baby gorilla was born, after 13 years of waiting, a milestone in conservation. A wonderful moment. A rare okapi, often called the African unicorn, was born at Chester Zoo in England. If you were on a boat and saw this in person, would you grab your camera or just sit quietly and soak it in? Eastern Colorado was hit by a massive hailstorm, covering the ground in white like a fresh snowfall. If you saw a tornado approaching, what's the first thing you'd do to protect yourself and your family? During a test flight, SpaceX's Starship 36 suffered a serious explosion, a setback, but also a chance to learn for the future. Sinkholes form when underground soil loses stability due to groundwater or hollow cavities, sometimes appearing right under stadiums. It may look like a doomsday movie scene, but this is a Haboob dust storm rare, yet one of nature's most powerful displays. If you stumbled upon a stranded whale, what would you do first? Call for rescue, film it, or try to help immediately? Ailao Mountain in China with its breathtaking waterfalls. Powerful winds swept across Niagara Falls, toppling trees and creating dangerous conditions for both tourists and locals. Ha, too cute. The first time I lifted my right back leg, I couldn't even find the right position. A cave explorer discovered a man who had been hiding for 40 years. You couldn't even see his face. Nepenthes raja, a giant pitcher plant, is powerful enough to trap and digest small animals, like rats. It even doubles as a natural toilet for tree shrews. If you were taking a photo and a huge bear walked into the frame, would you lift your camera or run for your life? Komodo dragons are extremely dangerous. This video was filmed by a tour guide from a safe distance. Please don't imitate very dangerous. The Amazon rainforest is burning, and the world's largest firefighting aircraft was deployed to battle the flames. Even though the South American anaconda weighs about 200 pounds and is a ruthless predator in the Amazon, it still couldn't escape nature's disaster. Real footage of the Atami landslide in Japan. A seriously underestimated road hidden beneath the sea in Jiaozhou, China. Just the Azores. I've seen them since high school, but only on the world map until now. One-arm hanging body, as stiff as steel. This isn't just strength, it's the living definition of willpower and discipline. Looking at this masterpiece, can you imagine how he created it? At first, I thought it was just a crack. Oh no, it was was actually someone's artwork left behind. Precision and skill at the highest level, a mason shaping a perfect brick pattern. This guy impressed the whole beach with his performance. He's clearly a professional acrobat. This professional baker crafted an entire chocolate castle. He wanted an invisible cloak, and this is how he blended himself into nature. What looked like scrap metal became artwork in the hands of a master. Juggling isn't just fun, it's one of the hardest skills demanding perfect coordination and focus. She can actually communicate with whales. If you found this video amazing, don't forget to drop a comment below. Lava from Kilauea can reach over 1,000 DGC, and when it cools, it forms new basalt layers, expanding Hawaii's landmass. Kilauea is one of the most active volcanoes in the world, and each eruption helps scientists study how Earth rebuilds its surface. Dust storms often occur in arid regions when strong winds lift surface soil into the air, blanketing the sky. In many regions, snowfall not only beautifies the landscape, but also provides vital water that helps the soil and crops recover after drought.
You can still go, even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, 'cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You never hear me, bitch, nah,